Hey, fellow foodies and kitchen aficionados. Today, we're about to uncover the secrets to making the crispiest, most delicious deep-fried delights right in the comfort of your own kitchen. Meet the Secura Deep Fryer, a culinary powerhouse with not one, not two, but 3 baskets, and an extra-large 4 liters oil tank capacity. Whether you're cooking for your family or hosting a gathering of friends, this deep fryer has got you covered. Get ready to indulge in finger-licking good fried food like never before. Picture this, you're hosting a game night with friends, and everyone's craving a different deep-fried delight. With the Secura Deep Fryer and its trio of baskets, you can fry 2 different foods at once with ease. Plus, all 3 baskets come equipped with hooks for mess-free draining. Whether you're in the mood for crispy chicken, golden donuts, fish and chips, or onion rings, this deep fryer can handle it all. It's a game changer for your culinary adventures, and we're about to dive into all the amazing features that make it a must-have kitchen companion. Deep frying delights. Let's talk about what makes the Secura Deep Fryer stand out. It boasts an adjustable temperature control that can reach up to a sizzling 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you have full control over the heat, ensuring that your deep-fried creations come out perfect every time. The heat indicator light lets you know when the oil is ready to work its magic, so no more guessing games. Lid with a view. Ever wondered what's happening inside the deep fryer without opening the lid and risking splatters? The Secura Deep Fryer has a viewing window on the lid, allowing you to monitor the frying process without disruption. Plus, it includes a replaceable carbon-activated filter that reduces odors, so your kitchen smells delightful even during a frying marathon. Basket clasp. Say goodbye to messy drips. The baskets come with convenient clasps that allow you to rest them safely on the fryer while draining. No more messy countertops or oily spills to clean up. It's all about making your frying experience as hassle-free as possible. Fast heating. When you're craving deep-fried goodness, you don't want to wait around. The Secura Deep Fryer features a fully immersible heating element that provides quick and even heating. Say hello to faster cooking times and perfectly crispy results. Extra large capacity. Are you ready for the piece de resistance? This deep fryer is equipped with an extra large 4 liters removable oil tank. That means you can fry up big batches of your favorite treats without constantly refilling the oil. With an extra set of odor filters included, you can enjoy the aromas of your food without any lingering kitchen scents. In conclusion, the Secura Deep Fryer is a game changer for anyone who wants to master the art of deep frying at home. With its adjustable temperature control, viewing window, basket clasps, fast heating, and extra large capacity, it's the ultimate kitchen companion for creating crispy, golden perfection. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game and indulge in your favorite fried treats whenever you want, click the link in the description below to make the Secura Deep Fryer yours today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to become a deep frying maestro. Click that link and let the Secura Deep Fryer be your culinary sidekick for all your frying adventures. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to countless batches of mouth-watering fried delights in your future.